This is my 2019 landscaping setup. Today I was doing lawns, just mowing lawns. This is a 2004 F250 Super D with a 6.8 liter V10, 99,000 miles. Highly recommend. Fuel mileage is very similar to that of the V8 and gives you similar, comparable power to the diesel. So I keep the weed whacker and the blower in the bed, and I cut this piece of wood out to keep the weed whacker and blower from sliding all around. I have the wood notched out to fit in with the bed liner there. Back here I have a 2019 Hawk dump trailer, 7,000 GVW with a pintle hitch. So it works great for the mower, especially in the springtime and the fall. I'm able to keep all the debris up front and the mower in the back, leaves, grass, and whatnot. The ramps that came with it are very heavy duty, so I have those aluminum ramps for the ease of getting it in and out. This is a 2018 or 17 Right Stander V-Ride, 52-inch. Definitely worth the investment. This is only my side gig, but I do about 15 houses a week after my typical 40 hours at my full-time job.